To all the home care workers, how are you? My name is Shu Hua Li, and I want to thank you for your hard work. During this novel coronavirus pandemic, please carry out the best preparation before your service. 1. Health self-management. 2. Ask about travel, occupation, contact, clutter questions. 3. Prepare infection control equipment to protect yourself and others. Hi, I am instructor Hung Sui Ying from Fu Yin University. To all the home care workers, how are you? During the pandemic, if you traveled abroad, you need to stay home for 14 days. Please do not report to your work. If you have a cough or other respiratory symptoms, you need to wait 24 hours after complete recovery before returning to work. Before going to work, please call your client or client's family first. You can use items in the TOCC questionnaire to understand your client's condition. 1. Any fever, cough, runny nose, stuffy nose, or influenza-like illness, sore throat, muscle ache, headache, extreme fatigue, or difficulty breathing. 2. What is the travel history of your client or his/her family? 3. Do any of your client's family work in a hospital or a healthcare institute? Do they raise or sell livestock, work on an airplane, or have any other high-risk jobs? 4. Has your client ever come in contact with someone who has a fever or flu-like symptoms? 5. Has the client's family, friend, or colleague ever had a fever or flu-like symptoms? If your client presents with the above situation, you need to report this to the home healthcare center and temporarily stop your service, or adjust your schedule accordingly. As healthcare workers, we need to take our temperature every day. Here is a list of personal protective equipment required by your job. 1. Facial mask. 2. Protective goggles. 3. Gloves. 4. Isolation gown. If there is no isolation gown available, you can use a disposable raincoat. 5. Alcohol antiseptic. Some medical alcohol sold at the market is 95%, but you can use a 1-to-3 ratio of water and alcohol to make a 75% alcohol disinfectant. 6. Bleach disinfectant. Use the bleach sold at the market to make a bleach and disinfectant to clean the environment. The ratio of bleach and water is 1-to-1. Scissors are used to cut open a raincoat that is used to substitute an isolation gown. Check your personal protective equipment regularly to make sure you have an adequate supply. Replace your PPE supplies in your work bag whenever you use it. Being prepared before you go to work will give you additional protection.